Hello students, today we will learn the chapter 14, simple future tense. Okay, will, shall, be, going to. Okay, see, there is nothing, learning window. The highlighted verb will pay, shall pay, will donate, and am going to talk about action which will be definitely happen in the future. These verbs are in the simple future tense. Simple future tense means the things which are going to happen in the future. Before the verb we will add will, shall, am. Okay, see, simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will take place in the future. The verb will, shall, and am going to be are used with the root from of the verb to indicate an action in the simple future tense. I told that action that is going to happen in the future is known as simple future tense, and before the verb we will add will or shall or am. Okay, see here, will. We use will talk about things that we intend to do in the future. Raj will talk to his teacher tomorrow. See, this is the predict we are going to say that yes, tomorrow Raj will going to talk with his teacher. Okay, next, predict future event. It will rain today, means we are going to we don't know what will happen in the next 2 hours, so we are thinking that it will rain today. Talk about future events that we know are certain. I will be 11 years old next year. Next year I will be 11 years old. Make a promise. I will help you clean your room. Means this is I'm promising that I will help you. I will help you clean your room. Okay. Now see, form. To use will in the statement, we shall use the following state: subject plus will plus root form of the verb. Okay. See here. I, you, we, he, she, it, they will travel. Will not. In the negative we will add will not or won't travel. Okay. To form question, will is used before the subject. Will. I, you, we, he, she, it, he, she, they, it, travel. Okay. This is the question form, and this is the positive. In the positive we will write only will and then verb, but in the negative we will use will not travel or won't travel. Okay. Now see here, shall. Shall is used. We use shall to talk about the future. We, however, use shall in the sentence beginning with I or we, though we can also use will in this such sentence. Okay. Shall. I shall go to the market. I will go to the market. Both are the correct. Whether you will write here will or shall, both are the correct. Okay, but shall is used only in I and we. Okay, we shall sleep early. We will sleep early. Okay. Now see, however, if we want to express strong determination, we use shall. Okay, there is a strong determination, that time we will use shall. Okay, I shall study tonight, means that is true, that is going to happen. Surely it is going to happen that I shall study tonight. We shall complete the work tomorrow, means it is the strong determination that you know that you are going to complete this work tomorrow. Okay, that time we will use shall. Shall is also used in promise, suggestion or advice. Okay, shall is used when there is when we promise something or when we suggest something or we advise something, that time shall is used. I shall help you to complete the project work. Don't worry. Promise. This is the promise here that I will help you in completing the project work. Shall I carry the books for you? Suggestion. Shall I carry? Means this is the suggestion. Can I help you? Okay. What shall I wear for the party tonight? This is an advising I am taking from you that what dress should I wear for tonight. Okay. That's why shall is used here. Okay. Be going to. We use be going to say what someone has decided to do. Okay, see the example. I am going to visit my cousins tomorrow. I have decided that I am going to visit. That's why be going to is used. I am going to visit. Okay. To predict something that will happen in the future, we know about it because we can see the evidence in the present. Okay. Means we are predicting, we are saying that something is happening, will happen in the future. That time we will use are going to. Okay. The traffic is terrible, we are going to miss our flight. Means this is I'm predicting, this is I'm saying that this, because the traffic is so much terrible, that's why we are going to miss our flight. Look at that query. We are not going to get in hours. Okay. Look at this line. This line is so long that we are not going to get this for hour. Okay. Now see, to use going to in the statement, we use the following form: I am, you are, we are, they are. Going to plus verb form. This is the positive sentence. Okay. Verb form means visit or something, but negative not going to. In the negative we add not. Okay. See here, he, she, it is so going to verb and not going to plus verb. To make question, we place the subject after the helping verb am, is, are. That time when we make question, that time we use am, is, are front, and then after that we use we, they, you. Going to plus verb form. Am I, going to plus verb form. Is, he, she, it, going to plus verb form. Okay. Now see, complete this sentence with will or be going to plus the verb given in the bracket. Okay, I am not feeling well today. I think I am going to be fall ill. Okay. Mother dash cook noodles for dinner tonight. Mother will cook noodles for dinner. The puppies are hungry. I am going to feed them. The sky is very cloudy. It will rain. The bell is ringing. I dash answer. I will answer it. We dash win the race. We will win the race. Okay. Try to do it yourself. Thank you.